So hello everyone, my name is Karan and you are watching English with Karan YouTube channel. So I know that you want to speak in English language, that's why you click this video. Otherwise you can't. Otherwise you never click this video if you don't want to speak in English language and you are interested to learn English language. That's why you watch this video. So hi everyone. I'm thinking that you are doing great your practice, and I hope you are very great. So why are you speaking English language? What is your motive to speak in English language? Please tell me. I know that some people maybe become a speaker, English speaker. Some people's reason for examination. Some people's crack the interview. That's why he wants to learn English language. This is most of the people's want to learn English language, and English language is a totally it means very important, very necessary. You know that you this is an international language, and when you are go the foreign abroad, then this language work very lot works this language, because most of the time in the foreign, in the airplane, you will communicate in this language, English is the most popular language. So that you'll have to learn English language. That's what it means. This is a very important. So first of all, if you want to learn English language, four basic things are very important for every beginner, every English learner. And every English learner, he has a, it means who has a learned English language, it means they know about this thing, that this fourth thing is a very important for every beginner, every learner, English learner. First is a reading. Read any book, any kind of the book, any novels. A lot of the, it means you can read the newspaper. So a lot of the things you can read. Reading. And second is a listening any podcast, watch any movies in English language, reels in English. So it means basically you'll have to do create an environment like English speaking, like English environment. When you go to the out, then you think in English. So this point is very important for every speaker, every beginner. So second is a listening, and third is a reading. Read a lot of the books, many so kind of the books you can read. And a lot of the books available, lot of the your syllabus book like class 10th and 12th. So you can read books. And third is the writing. Write English language, because when you write, then you observe the English key points, English vocabularies you remember. So reading also very important. So this is the fourth thing, is a basic of English speaking. And as well as when you are going up, it means when you are do to these points daily, then you feel, then you will feel that your English is going on improve, towards going to improvement. That's why, because this is the fourth thing, is a basics of English. That's why this your English is going on very advanced and beginner side of. So this is the fourth thing, is a very important. And if you want to if you would like to, it means if you want to watch like my videos, it means you like to watch my videos, so please subscribe my channel. And मिलते हैं किसी next video पर. Thank you.